video is not about how many restaurants are in St. Petersburg, not about what is famous or how many people live here. This is a feeling, a view, a journey from above, as if you are flying, just like a silent bird, witnessing a city born from the dreams of an empire. Welcome to St. Petersburg, where rivers reflect palaces, bridges whisper history, and golden domes touch the northern sky. This is not a guidebook, it's not a tourist list, it's a glimpse of what St. Petersburg looks like from the sky. If you love seeing the world from above, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. New perspectives, new cities, a new flight every time.